So when I'm doing real world software engineering work, I tend to jump around and use a bunch of different AI coding tools. It just depends on which one is the best for the job. But regardless of which one I'm using, I find that it works much better if you prompt it to load up some context before you actually tell it to do work. Basically, if you're working on the front end of a code base, I would start by prompting the coding agent to thoroughly analyze the front end of the code base and then say something like, help me get a really deep understanding of how it works. And sometimes it's good to put a little note that says, don't make any changes yet. The agent will then go and study this part of the code base and get a deeper understanding of it and communicate that to you. This has two very large benefits. First of all, it helps the agent get a better understanding. Second of all, it can help you get a better understanding before you actually make the changes that you're setting out to make. So once the agent does this analysis and creates a little report for whatever you asked it to analyze, that's when you would ask it to make the change that you're trying to make. I find that when I follow this process, I get much better results. A lot of times when I follow this process, the agent will even get the correct result on the first try.